So what you can also do is you can work around with the brightness and contrast adjustment layer as well. So to do that, over here you can see that I have a picture, and to add in an adjustment layer, I can go around over here and click on the new adjustment layer section and then click on brightness and contrast. Once I go ahead and do that, you can see that I have an option to change around the brightness and the contrast of the image right here and utilize the legacy as well. So right now it's in layer, but you can also go around and change around the mask level right here as you want. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here on the mask. I can also go around and utilize my brush to erase out certain sections right here. And as I choose around the brightness and contrast, it only affects those areas, as you can see right here. You can also go around and then you can see that this is what you have right here. It's not linked together, so it actually moves. So now you can see that I can actually go ahead and move this layer mask out as well. Let me just go around and lock this, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So now I don't accidentally move this, and now I can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, work around with the selection and then erase certain things right here. Just like this layer right here, I can go ahead and then erase this right here. I can adjust it out according to how I want. I can color it, or I can simply go around with the brush and then start brushing it out right here, and I can go around and regain it back as well. So apart from that, you can also go around over here and then work around with the levels adjustment right here, and then you can see that you can change around the level highlights right here. And whatever adjustment layer you actually work with is actually non-destructive. So you can add in the red, you can go around and add in the green right here, and then change around the blue as well. Work around with the color sample right here according to how you want. And then of course you can go around onto the masking right here and then erase the effects out if you don't want it. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and erase it, and that is the final result, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the brightness and contrast and the levels adjustment layers inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.